Okay, number 12 is a word problem. It says a 14-foot ladder is used to scale a 13-foot wall. It says at what angle of elevation must the ladder be situated in order to reach the top of the wall? And it also wants to know how far away is the ladder from the wall. So we've got two questions here. First of all, we've got a wall that's 13 feet tall. We've got a ladder that's leaning against the wall. And we know that that ladder in this case is 14 feet long. And we want to know what's the angle of elevation. Well, here's going to be my angle of elevation. We also want to know how far away is the ladder from the wall. I'm going to call this distance y. Let's start with the angle. I'm going to find the angle, 13. Again, here's my right triangle. Opposite and hypotenuse, I'm going to use the sine of x is equal to the 13 over the hypotenuse, which is 14. Again, to find x, this is another inverse problem to find the angle. So I'm going to do the inverse again. So I type that into my calculator. I'm going to do the second function, sine 13 divided by 14, and hit enter, 68.2. So my angle is 68 degrees. And then to find my distance that the ladder is from the wall, I'm just simply going to do some Pythagorean theorem. 13 squared plus y squared equals 14 squared. Well, 13 squared is 169 plus the y squared. We know that 14 squared is 196. We're going to take and subtract 169. Oops, did that wrong. So 169 we're going to subtract, and we end up getting y squared. So 196 minus the 169 gets me 27. And then I've got to take the square root of that. So y in this case, and I put that in my calculator, the square root of 27, that gets me 5.19. So 5.2, in this case we're talking about feet, so that would be my distance that the ladder is away from the wall in this case.